Hi friends, my name is Manisha. Well, this video is for all those who are single. Yes. Well, I want to ask that what is the first thing that you think about when it comes to being single? Does the idea scares you? Does the idea makes you feel anxious or it makes you feel afraid? And do you think that you can never be happy without a partner? Or if you are thinking like that, if you're going to spend your entire life by yourself and the idea scares you, if it really scares you, then we need to work on this. Or you're a kind of person who enjoys being single. Well, I think the problem is people look at being single is like a curse, and this is such a bad thing according to them that they feel that this should never come to anybody's life. But there is absolutely nothing wrong of being single. I think so. There is absolutely nothing wrong with the state of being single, and there is no reason for obsessing with the fact that you are single. Well, if you think like that you can never be satisfied without a partner, and you really think so, like you need somebody in order to make you happy, and you really feel that you definitely need to be in a romantic relationship, I need to tell you that this attitude is not a healthy attitude towards life. This is because in that case you would be waiting and definitely putting off your life on hold until you meet someone, and you are desperately waiting for somebody to enter into your life in order to make you happy. But I think if you are single right now and you are waiting for someone to enter into your life, utilize that time to be the best version of yourself, because that is the time then that you can actually work on yourself. And the best thing is that part of improving, the best thing I can tell, if you really want to improve, then you have to be content and you have to be happy with being single first. So I want to tell you that there is nothing wrong with the state of being single, which generally I know many of the articles they try to convince us to believe we should not, because we need to think that if we are single right now, we should take advantages for those things that we haven't done yet, and we are yet to achieve many dreams. So it is absolutely fine with being single. And I know when you tell somebody that you are still single, people look at you and they give gestures that I ask why. I mean, it's okay. There is nothing bad to be in a single state, and after all, single does not means lonely, and relationship does not guarantees you a lifetime happiness. And people generally ask you and they taunt you, why are you still single, and get into a relationship as soon as possible, else you will be single always. And why don't you go and talk to that particular person, him or her, and like that they will suggest you number of ways, I know that, and they give you very depressing expressions, and you feel like, really means, really does it really means that, or it is generally so bad to be single? But no, because it is something that they need to understand, that single nowadays is a way more than status, and they need to understand that being single does not means lonely. It does not mean that you are alone. It is just that you are, what I believe is being single means that you are working on yourself, and you are single because you do not want to settle for less, maybe because of your certain conditions. Everybody has their own conditions, so I don't think so that there is nothing that there is anything bad about it. And being single means that you are yet to achieve your dreams. So being single is not a curse that is happening to you, and you should sit and ask the Almighty that why I am being single. I don't think so. This is the best time that you should utilize in improving yourself. As I told, that the first step of improving yourself is to get satisfied with the fact that you are single. You should not wait for anyone to enter into your life in order to make you happy, because firstly you should start feeling happy by being single, because in that case you are not letting yourself you are not setting up yourself for the disappointments in life. You believe in yourself and you think that you are capable of making yourself happy. See, this is, I'm not here to dissuade anyone from getting married. It is just, I just want you people to see that being single is not a bad state at all. So all I mean to say is that don't let your friends, your relatives, or any other person to rush you into a relationship, and especially don't let your loneliness rush you into a relationship. After all, life is not just about relationship. There are many more things to explore in life, and we generally look at the couples on the social websites and we feel like they are so happy by being into a relationship, but I must tell you that they are showing the highlights of their life. This is not the 24/7 story. Behind the scenes situation might be different. So a relationship does not guarantees you lifetime happiness. I already mentioned in the starting of my video, and one thing is very clear, like we generally listen in the songs and that we need somebody to complete us, and I generally feel that we don't need anyone to make us complete, because the only person that can complete us is ourselves. We ourselves need to complete us first of all, because nobody can ever make you feel as happy as you yourself can make yourself feel happy. You hear this all the time, that if you are single then you will be alone or you will be lonely, and the one who is listening to these statements eventually starts believing in these things. And but I must tell you that being single, it just means that you are just waiting for the right person, because after all life is not just about getting married, and it's just not about all these things which magazines articles talk about: how to fix up a broken relationship, how to be into a healthy relationship, how to find the right person. I think they should start focusing on the fact that if you are single, then there is no reason to be obsessing with the fact. And because after all, the worst thing in life is not being alone, but it is definitely to be with the one who makes you feel single, who makes you feel alone, who makes you feel lonely even after being into a relationship. So you need to work on it. You need to work on this, and you should not pay any attention towards what people say, because for them it is just a topic, but for you it is your entire life. So you need to think on this thing. See, again, I am not saying that relationships are bad. They can be very beautiful. The only thing is, I just want that nobody should ever pressurize you to get into a relationship. If you are not getting the right person as of now, you just need to wait for the right person, and don't rush into a relationship in a very haphazard manner. After all, it's about life. So because the worst thing in life is not being alone, but it is, yes, definitely the worst thing is getting along with someone who makes you feel alone. So we need to think about this thing. This is something very important. So don't wait for anyone to make you happy, because that is a guaranteed way of ending up being sad. You need to be the best version of yourself, become the best part of yourself in order to attract the person you want to, and in order to become the person you want to be attracted by others. Become a magnet for them, so that people will chase you, and the right person will come to you at the right time. Because most of the relationship, they do not fail because of the lack of love, but yes, they fail because of the lack of friendship bond. So you need to find that friend of yours who does not only want to go with you, but yes, who wants to grow with you. And you people have fun all the time, even if absolutely doing nothing with. You need to find that friend for you. So if you are not settled right now and you are waiting for the right person, so start using that part of your life in improving yourself, and first of all try to satisfy yourself with what you are, rather than of searching for someone to enter into your life, because that will just be giving you disappointments in later in life. So just work on yourself, and you will just get the right person at just the right time. And if you like my video, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and do share my video with all those friends, especially those who are single, and yes, to people who pressurize others for being single, because after all, life is not just about relationship. There are many more things to explore in life. Bye bye.